Boom, you just updated GTA 5. Excited to play, and this happens, the dreaded Scripthookv critical error. Your game won't launch, and you're stuck. But don't worry, I've got the fastest fix to get you back in the game. Watch till the end, and you'll be playing GTA 5 again in just minutes. As you can see, GTA 5 refuses to run because the latest update broke Scripthookv, and since the developers haven't released an updated version yet, we need a workaround. To fix this, we'll revert GTA 5 to a previous version. That way, Scripthookv will still work. Follow these steps carefully. Download the previous GTA 5 update files. I'll provide the link in the description. Now, let's put these files where they belong. Step 1. Open your GTA 5 directory. Right-click GTA 5 shortcut greater than open file location. Step 2. Copy all the extracted files. Step 3. Paste them into the GTA 5 folder and replace the existing files. Now for the moment of truth. Let's launch GTA 5. And there you go, no more Scripthookv error, and you're back in Los Santos. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. And as soon as the latest Scripthookv update drops, I'll update you guys, so stay tuned.